Hey guys, I just wanted to show you quickly how you can rename your site. So by default, whenever you create a site, let's choose a quick template here. Let's select this one. It automatically becomes my new site. And after a while, in case you created loads of them, every site that you create will be my new site. So how can you rename them? How can you know which site you need to edit? For example, in case you clone this one, it will be my new site clone or copy. So I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way. So basically you have here, you see, 3 times my new site. I don't know which one to edit. So it's pretty easy. When you open the editor, here in the right hand corner on the top of the page, there is a hamburger button. You need to go to site settings, and then here, this is the business or the website name. So let's just, for example, let's put here David Lemon. This is my name here. Okay, save. Don't forget to save. When it's saved, you get this green thingy, content saved, and then you can exit. Let's go back into the GroovePages, and then you can see here David Lemon. This is the site name now. So what happens when we clone this one? Let's clone it, and let's go back. It will be again David Lemon. So whenever you clone a site, what my recommendation is that you always go inside the site settings and give it a name. So we will just change it to David Lemon 1. Okay, save. We wait for the green box here, content saved. We exit, go back to GroovePages, and then this is the one that we just edited. Whenever you create a new site, it will show up all the way to the left hand side. So let's just select this one. Okay, we have it here. Let's go out, and it shows up here. So as you have the older sites will be on the right, and the new sites will be coming to the left hand side. So always this will be the site that you worked on last. In case you don't rename them, you will know that this on the left hand side will be the last one that you created or that you worked on. So just one more time, right hand corner here, hamburger button, site settings, and then awesomest site. I know it's not a word, but it will be now. Okay, don't forget to save it, and let's go out, see if it is saved. Perfect. Awesomest site. Here we go, guys. In case you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them for you. See you in the group. Bye bye.